Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to everyone. We are from Group 2 and the title we're going to present is Managing Risk in Poultry Production. Poultry production is a process of raising domesticated fowls such as chicken, quail, turkeys, ducks and other fowls for the purpose of their meat or eggs. The most preferred fowl is chicken because it makes up the largest sector in the poultry industry, and we have two types of chicken production and we call it as broilers and layers. Poultry is one of the fastest growing in agricultural sector. The poultry industry provides meat and eggs that contains important source of protein, and it is preferred by almost all culture in the world. In Malaysia, poultry production business is widely run by the farmers because it could contribute a high profits and important to food security. However, the poultry production is exposed to various risks, and risk management is very important to overcome risks in poultry. A good risk management could improve the production of poultry. So here is the 5 risks that we have identified and discussed in poultry production. First, the frequent risk in poultry production is outbreak of disease. As we can see, many cases that cause loss in poultry because the chicken is affected to the disease due to several factors. Based on this risk, we have analyzed the factors that contribute and cause the poultry disease. First, infectious agent are living organisms that cause disease or illness to the chicken, and it can spread between them. The infectious agents includes germ, external and internal parasites. Then, the environmental condition also could make the chicken sick and have disease because they cannot adapt to the condition, maybe because the temperature was too high or having a poor air quality. Next, physical stress. It makes the chicken not able to resist disease, and their health depends on what the farmers provides for them, such as a proper feed and water. So here are several suggestions to mitigate the outbreak of disease risk. First, hygiene and sanitation. We have to make sure the poultry area always clean and all equipment are sanitized to prevent microbial contamination and spread of infectious disease. Next is vaccination. It helps build the natural resistance or immunity to a particular disease and can help reduce the severity of disease. Lastly, disease can be treated using medication. It helps weaken disease organism, reduce the symptoms, and it also can directly kill the infectious agent. Disease risk is not within the farmer's control, so if it is not controlled quickly, it will affect the poultry production and also could wipe out the entire population of the chicken. A prevention and treatment of the disease risk could ensure and maintain the poultry production. In poultry, disease is one of the biggest contributors to loss, so if the disease risk is managed properly, followed by the risk management as I suggest, the production of poultry can be maximized and ensure the food supply is always sufficient.
Next, the risk was being identified is financial risk. Financial risk is caused by of bad weather, disease outbreak, insufficient supply, and inadequate processing facilities. For the risk analysis, economic risk may be identified as risk resulting from input and output price fluctuations, which can lead to low income. And we also have the debt. Financial risk can also be because of farm enterprise use of debt in financing. Financial risk occurs when enterprise profitability rate of return is less than the loss of capital. Natural disasters such as drought, flood, windstorm, disease, and pests forming farming risk, which has adverse effect on output of agriculture production. And outbreak of disease could happen, which is it wipe out the entire population of birds in a poultry farm, which lead to the death of the business. For the risk management, we have cash flow, insurance, and financial records and analysis. Cash flow have income statement which shows sales forecast and personal plan and balance sheet. While insurance, farm insurance is one good way of minimizing problems like natural hazards. As example, credit life insurance and crop insurance, and coupled with a sound marketing plan. And financial records and analysis, the records are necessary to study the production performance and check whether it meets the prescribed standards. Records should be simple and easy to be understood, which provide all the needed information.
Environment risk. For environment risk, location are important to build a farm. In risk analysis, farm does not isolate and is also situated in the right way. The right way is east-west orientation. Farm without enclosing tight fence and lock on all entrance gate can cause the predator to enter the farm area. For risk management, farmer must get advice from a veterinarian to build a farm, choose a suitable area, and get the right way of orientation. Farmer must know the certain program to increase the production. Example are all-in, all-out system, the most practical system. Only one age of broiler at the same time, or the chicks are started on the same day and later sold on the same day, followed by a cleaning and disinfection period downtime before the next batch group of broiler are started. During this period, is break any cycle of infections disease. The next group of broiler has been started with no possibility of contracting a disease from older flock on the farm.
Risk identification, technological and human risk, cause lack of information, poor technical know and high risk of death. For risk analysis, first, lack of information on improved technology in poultry. Second, poor technical know how of improved farming technologies. Third, high risk of death. Death of produce could be forced the farmers to sell off their products below production costs. For risk management, there should be organization of trainings and seminars for poultry farmers in effective risk management practices for maximum output. Poultry farmers should be encouraged by all agencies to diversify into other viable income-generating activities to increase output and reduce shock of failure. Prevent death with internal controls, then detect losses as early as possible to mitigate the impact on the company's reputation and bottom line. For justification, a technological and human risk has been identified in broiler commercial poultry. It was determined that the risk was caused by a lack of information, poor technical competence, and high risk of death. As a result of risk management being engaged, trainings for poultry producers. In addition, poultry farmers should be encouraged to diversify into other potential income-generating industries. Lastly, prevent death with internal controls.
The last risk in poultry production is feed and water risk. Feed and water risk may caused by chicks do not get access to proper clean, fresh feed and water. For risk analysis, low water flow rates can decrease flock performance. A system that delivers more than this is not a problem when managed properly, but one that delivers less can restrict flow and reduce performance. Next, feed availability and water consumption is related, where feed does have major influence on water intake. It is because if birds do not have access to feed, the birds will drink little water. Same goes as they will eat little or no feed if they do not have access to water. There arise some issues in chicken feedstuff regarding the feedstuff is not palatable and flavor problems. For risk management, to control water risk, it is important to record the daily water intake history. Build a database of water intake in farm so it may then use to recognize problems or unusual consumption pattern later on. By recording, it can also compare the current flocks intake pattern with that of previous flocks to estimate performance at any time throughout the flock. Next, to control feed risk, the addition of feed flavors in such cases would help prevent the stuff out in very young chicks and help chicken keep on feed. So here is the probability of the risk analysis, risk rating in broiler poultry production.
Conclusion. As a last consideration, risk is an inherent feature of modern poultry production due to the complex and fragile nature of poultry products. There are 5 main risks that we have identified and discussed, and as a result, uncertainty forced some farmers to sell off their products below production costs. This leads to reduction in profit, capital investment, and low savings of the poultry among farmers. That's why it is important for us to have a good risk management to overcome all the risks in poultry production. That's all from us. Thank you.